River Garden isn't your typical rehab facility. Residents permanently move in here for 3 years. Alongside treatment, there's a strict regime of working on site at things like the community cafe or gardening. It's a model that's working well for Frankie.
I didn't know how to ask properly for help. My mum passed away in 2021. I just came out of Berlin and she passed away a few weeks later. And I think I was just sick of being sick, man. I knew I didn't want to drink or take drugs, and yet I knew it would take that pain away. And for me, prison works in prison, and then you come out, there's no support about you. Whereas it's different in here, you come in here and you get your discipline back, but you've also got that support about you.
Getting the right help was also difficult for Cairn.
When I lost my company and everything, I realised I did have a problem, like just drinking and taking drugs as much as possible. And I do need routine. That's what I've learned about myself. I need a healthy routine, and that's what I've learned about River Garden, like finding healthy habits, like going a jog, going to the gym, going for a swim. I never thought I'd be able to be this sober.
Part of the recovery model includes working alongside volunteers and locals like April.
I did lengthy interviews with them about their life, about their past lives, about their recovery journeys, and from there I formed a band and wrote them a song unique to each of their individual recovery journeys so far.
But not everyone is able to access this kind of treatment. The Scottish Government has set itself a target of treating 90% of people referred for help with drugs or alcohol within 3 weeks. That's been missed in 3 health board areas, and the number of people getting referred for treatment has gone down in the first 4 months of this year.
Those stats that have come out are slightly concerning for me, and I think I need to take time with my officials as well to speak to local areas to actually try and get underneath the skin of that. And if that's because people are seeking, need to seek treatment for different things, whether that's stimulant use or benzodiazepine use, or indeed increased alcohol substance use, then we need to understand what the picture is telling us.
Currently, there are 10 residents at River Garden, but they're rapidly expanding the number of spaces to meet the demand.
The more help that is available for people when they need it, when they recognise that moment of lucidity, when you're in addiction, to think, I don't want this anymore, to be able to have a referral process that can deal with that very quickly, because that window will close very quickly on that person's life.
By the end of the summer, this facility will have its first female residents. Everyone here knows the right help at the right time will save lives. Vanessa Taff, STV News in Ayrshire.